Hi guys, my name is Michaela and we're going to be presenting on the celiac disease. So what is celiac disease? Celiac disease is an autoimmune disorder that can occur in genetically predisposed people where the ingestion of gluten leads to damage in the small intestine. In layman terms, celiac disease occurs when your body does not digest gluten the same as someone without the disease. It results in short-term and long-term damage to the small intestine as well as several other health concerns. There's approximately 1 in 100 people that have celiac disease. Celiac disease is hereditary. People with first-degree relatives with celiac disease, first degree meaning parent, child, or sibling, have a 1 in 10 risk of developing the disease. There are about 2.5 million Americans who are undiagnosed and will suffer long-term health issues because of their diet and lifestyle choices. If you have celiac and you eat gluten, your body responds by attacking the small intestine. The attack damages the small finger-like projections that line the small intestine called villi. Damage to the villi and leads to nutrition not being absorbed into the body properly. Celiac disease is diagnosed through blood test screenings and endoscopic biopsy of the small intestine. Here are a few symptoms of celiac disease: abdominal bloating and pain, chronic diarrhea, fatigue, weight loss, failure to thrive, delayed growth in puberty, irritability and behavioral issues, and it was also more prevalent in people with ADHD. So there isn't really too many treatment options. The only real one is just to develop a strict gluten-free diet. Gluten-free meaning you have to avoid foods with wheat, rye, and barley. Most common these foods are bread and beer. Ingesting small amounts can trigger small intestine damage, so stay away from those. Some long-term health effects. If left untreated, it can lead to other serious health problems, including anemia, osteoporosis, epilepsy and migraines, lactose intolerance, other autoimmune disorders like type 1 diabetes and multiple sclerosis.